Morning. How are you? Okay, not only you, I am also very happy and delighted to be amongst you today. It is my privilege and pleasure to be amongst the Navodayans, and I am so happy. Thank you for inviting me to this alumni meet to see the young faces and interact with you. It's a great honor for me. Dear Navodayans, I want to tell you two stories and one dream from my life today to you. First one, my parents, daily wage laborers, eking out their livelihood through hard labor from a small village called Kotapadu in Kurnool district. When they decided to send me to school, they had a purpose and determination. Having seen the rigors of hard labor, meager wages, caste oppression, they developed the firm belief that only education can change all that. When my father wanted to apply for a caste certificate for me in order to fill my application form for the JNV ST, he was made to stand outside at a distance, barefoot, from the house where the village revenue officer, who was not from that village but used to frequent once or twice a month to perform his duties, and was taunted for trying to apply for JNUST, saying that why do you want to waste your time and money for educating your child? Studying up to 50 lakhs itself is enough. The more you educate your child, the more useless he will become. He can neither work in the farmland, or he can do any other useful work. So don't educate him. Taking that insult, he chose to defy the dictates of the village revenue officer and also the village elders and also the community elders. And he got the form filled and he applied for that JNVST. Today, his child is the district collector of the biggest district in South India. Not only the VRO of that village, many such VROs, many village and also the community elders are at the command of his child. Second story, when I was selected for vocational course in railway commercial, that is VCRC, a job linked vocational course after 10th class, the JNV Kurnool principal, a great disciplinarian, a great human being, Sri S.V. Reddappa, a fond principal whom we remember very fondly, has refused to give the transfer certificate, not out of any hatred, but out of pure love and compassion, saying that I don't want my children to become a small government employee. I want you to be in a position where you can command many other employees, or you giving jobs to so many other people. I want my children to be the job creators and job givers rather than job seekers. And he further told me on the same day, I have a dream that I want to enter into a district collector's chambers with a file pertaining to Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya and see my child sitting in the collector's chair. Anyway, I have taken the TC and joined VCRC and then joined the railways as ticket collector, but his words were strongly there in my mind. Today, his child is sitting in the district collector's chair. His counterpart in JNV Lepaksi has entered into the district collector's chambers not only with a file but with lot of pride. Number 3, God. Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, at the great personal cost of losing 4 children, has worked tirelessly for the emancipation of the masses from the clutches of injustice, inequality and unfreedom. He, having faced untouchability, emancipated through education and gave the people of India the future called Enlightened India, that is Prabuddha Bharat, where everyone gets justice, liberty, equality with a sense of fraternity amongst all of us. Uneducated parents defied the dictates of the caste system and educated their child and got him into JNVK and thus got very good education. The child fulfilled the dream of seeing his school principal of his children rising to the top positions and helping the society in a much bigger roles through grit and perseverance. The dream of enlightened India, that is Prabuddha Bharat, which is free from hatred, discrimination and poverty, which is filled with opportunities for everyone, filled with feeling of oneness, is the duty of every one of us, and the dream of enlightened India is not far away. You, me, everyone sitting here are duty bound to make this country an enlightened India, that is Prabuddha Bharat. Jai Bharat.